So I'm going to show you how to turn cover screen mirroring on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So if you want uh, the outer screen and the inner screen to be independent, so that changes you make on the outer screen do not necessarily appear on the inner screen, then you can go ahead and turn off cover screen mirroring. Now, if you want the changes you make on the outer screen to also be replicated in the inner screen, then you turn on cover screen mirroring. So to turn that on or off, you go into settings. Under settings, on the left hand side, you go to home screen. So tap on home screen. That's going to open up your home screen settings. And in the home screen settings, you will see cover screen mirroring. And this is where you turn it on or off. So you can see what happens when you turn it on. Whatever you edit on the outer screen will be replicated automatically on the inner screen. So whatever you choose, make sure you remember to tap on apply so that the changes are saved. Thanks for watching and good luck.